Convert the improper fraction into a mixed number. We have 23 over 5. So we're going to do long division in order to do this. So let's set up our long division problem. The dividend is 23, that goes inside the house, and the divisor is 5, that goes on the outside. So now that we have 23 here, we need to ask ourselves, how many times does 5 go into 23 without going over? Well, we're going to say 4 times, because 4 times 5 is 20. So we're going to take that, we're going to subtract, and 23 minus 20 is 3. Now with no more numbers to drop down, that remainder is 3. So the way we set up our fraction is the 4 that we get, the quotient that we get, 4, is going to be our whole number. The remainder, 3, is going to be the numerator, and the original number that we were dividing it from, 5, is still going to be our denominator. So 23 over 5 becomes 4 3/5.